Textile materials are primarily used by the fashion industry, but did you know that a significant percentage of the global textile production is used by various industries including sports, medical, protective, transportation, and packaging among others. These textiles are collectively referred to as technical textiles, where functionality over design is the major avatar of its demand and requirement. Today, textiles continue to evolve for different end use and performance. One of these many areas of application is the construction and building sector. It offers desirable properties such as lightness, strength, and resilience to many factors such as degradation from chemicals, sunlight, and pollutants. With this, it can be incorporated in many different stages of the building construction, from the ground foundation up to roofing installations. In the Philippines, textiles are used in the construction industry as thermal and sound insulating materials, and protection of buildings against the sun, wind, fire, and water, among others. The fabrics are usually in the form of non-woven fabric and made from synthetic materials such as polyester, polyurethanes, and nylon, to name a few. However, it is known that the use of synthetic construction material contributes to the emission of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere due to the large amount of energy used from its sourcing and production. In addition, its non-biodegradability adds to the existing large amount of waste after its useful life. Thus, a need for a greener and locally sourced material for the industry. The Philippine Textile Research Institute, or PTRI, of the Department of Science and Technology offers a sustainable solution to this challenge. Natural textile fibers, especially those untapped such as bamboo and bandala textile fibers and sourced from agricultural byproducts like banana pseudostem and pineapple leaf fibers, will be used for the fabrication of technical textiles for smart indoor installation. These include roofing insulation, sound-absorbing wall and divider, and light diffuser. These natural textile fibers are excellent raw material alternatives because of its low density, cost, thermal conductivity, good acoustic insulating, and anti-static properties. Utilizing and upgrading PTRI's non-woven facilities, natural textile fibers sourced from the local communities will be treated and converted to a material suitable for the construction industry by tuning process parameters and material composition. These treated natural textile fibers will undergo carding, blending, and needle punching process to form a non-woven assembly to be incorporated in a resin matrix. Non-woven textile materials and composites created will be thoroughly tested following protocols as guided by international standards for proper evaluation. About 90% of human time is spent indoors, and this project aims to improve the indoor environment quality through innovative and green technologies. Non-woven textiles used for indoor walls and divider panels affect the area, visual privacy, and sound quality of a space. Those used in roofing insulation and light diffuser can reduce power consumption because of a well-lighted and cool environment. Other than these, the use of natural textile fibers for manufacturing construction materials provides an environment-friendly source of raw materials by increasing product biodegradability and reduction of waste from corporate and medium-type plantation farms. Lastly, this will include development of provincial-based fiber-producing communities and provide this undervalued sector additional economic activity and income. Rallying behind the COBUILDTEX brand, the Philippine Textile Research Institute diversifies natural textile fiber resources as raw material not only for wearables but also for building and construction. The COBUILDTEX program brings textile innovation that shelters you.